Now to the elevators at One Corporate Plaza here in Clear Lake. As you can see, we got more TKE mods. This is the freight elevator. Good 6. These are kind of quick. Call buttons seem new too. Back down to the ground. I'm gonna send this one up and get another elevator. This one's ugly. Here's one view of it. We got this one now. Lantern's been taken out. They're renovating this place. This one looks a lot nicer. These used to be Schindler Haughton. I like how you can hear the motor. As you can see, the call stations have been replaced too. Interesting that they don't have an indicator on this side either. It's pretty much the same as the other corporate plaza. One corporate plaza. Look at this cab.
First floor going up.
What's going up? Here you go. Welcome. Watch close. And that'll be it.